I'm back again with another video, and today I just want to show you guys my hair care routine, how I oil my hair, wash it and then style it. So let's quickly dive in right now. So usually I do oil my hair before I go to my shower. I keep it around 1 hour, which is sufficient for me to go hit the gym. It conditions my hair and it doesn't leave a lot of oil residue when I wash it off. So before oiling it, remember to detangle your hair and then oil it. When you go into the shower, you don't lose a lot of hair strands. So let's do it right now. This is the hair that I lost. Very minimal. I use the oil that my mom made for me. She usually makes the hibiscus flower extract, those kind of things. I'm not sure what she uses, but it makes my hair really strong and healthy. A half teaspoon and warm it up, and I just go through my scalp. While going through it, try to massage your scalp so that everything penetrates properly. Warm it through your scalp, massage your scalp. See, as I told you, you might see a few hair strands while oiling your hair. That's completely normal. And I usually take a very tiny amount of oil and massage it and try to put it on my hair ends. Hit my gym and come back and my hair stays up like this. I usually put in a bun. I'm done with oiling my hair. So I'll see you in 1 hour. Bye. Hey, I'm back from the gym, so I'll just hop onto the shower and I'll show you what are the shampoos or conditioners that I'll be using in. And once I'm done with my shower, I'll meet you guys there. Hi. So I'm done with my hair wash. Always try to use a microfiber towel after you shower so that all the moisture won't be absorbed by your towel. Or else you can either use a old t-shirt, which also works pretty much fine. This towel, I sometimes leave my hair like this for a few minutes, but right now I'm heading out, so I usually blow dry my hair and style it accordingly. Let me just show you the leave-in conditioner that I've been using these days, which I got on Amazon. Let me get it in a minute. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I've been using, which is from Marc. It's pretty much good, and it's not making my hair sticky, or even my hair is not getting oily even if I don't wash it after 2 to 3 days. And I even go to my gym, so it doesn't make my hair oily or my scalp oily. So I usually spray it in my hand, a reasonable amount, around this much, and rub it. And I just put it on my ends. Don't put it on your scalp or near your scalp area. Mostly use it on your ends. Once I'm done with that, I use a hair styling tool to dry my hair and style accordingly. So let me grab it. This is my hair styling tool. It's Dyson. So I'll show you how I style it with Dyson and how I make sure that I do get really less damage but style my hair in the way I wish. This is the blow drying attachment. Don't put it on high heat or high speed. Mostly put it on the medium heat setting and the medium speed. So dry your hair. Try to blow dry your hair by turning up your head down so that you get a lot of volume in when your hair dries. And when I'm around 40% dry or around 40 to 50% dry, I usually detangle my hair once and then blow dry it again. So take a comb your hair through it. My hair is around 50% dry, so I usually section my hair in 2 halves, and I just feel like my top section of my hair dries up really fast, so I put a lot of more concentration on my the second half of my hair, which is the bottom part of the hair. So I section it up like this and put the blow dry once more on the bottom part of the hair near the roots and not near the ends. So in the same heat settings. always try to blow dry near hair roots and not the hair ends. So my hair is around 60% dry, and I changed the blow drying unit to the brush. So take this brush attachment and try to comb your hair straight so that you can get. So my hair is almost wavy, and I just want to make a little curls on my hair, so I just want to tame once with this brush so that I don't have any waves on my hair. So try to work on your hair when it's around 60% dry with the Dyson styling attachments, so that you can have frizz-free hair as well as the styles last longer, and you don't need to use those hair mousses or hair styling creams or anything. And try to always use a heat resistant spray on your hair so that it doesn't cause any damage while using a heating tool. I am done with my spray, so I need to buy a new one, so that's why I'm not using it today. So always use it before you work on your hair on heat setting. So try to work on smaller sections so that you get better results. So once I'm done with the brush, I then use curling rods. So I just want to use this thicker rod so that I don't want to have tight curls, but I want to have loose curls this time. So I'm using this bigger rod on my long hair ends. So change the attachment. Now take smaller section of your hair. I'm now dividing this part of the hair in two, and now divide this single part into two parts. First work on this part, same heat settings. Initially I just put it on the high heat setting right now, but medium speed of air, but now I'll just style it with my curling iron. Cold shot. And done. Do you see the curl? This is how you do it for your rest of your hair. I'll just show you once again. So take a small section of your hair, grab it in this way, put it on high heat, turn on the heat, and whenever you're done for 30 to 40 seconds of putting heat on your hair, try to give a cold shot for around 30 to 40 seconds again, and then open the curl. Leave the curling iron. Then I just feel the curl lasts longer. Similarly, separate your hair and do the curl lengths. You see the curl, right? This is how it is when you do it the exact way. So this is how my first half of my hair looks. So when I'm showing it on the camera, it takes a bit longer because I'm explaining to you in between, showing it to you and doing my hair. But when you get used to do your hair pretty much all the time, it gets pretty much easier and much faster. So let's do on the second part of the hair. And when you switch from one side to the other, try to change the Airwrap settings from one side to another so that both the curls turn up on the same way. So I'm swapping it to the other side. Detangling this one, taking a smaller section, fold short, done. See, it's that simple. The next section, fold short, done. Many people ask me that when do you know that your hair is done styling and you need to put the cold shot. So whenever I use the Airwrap and I take it to my scalp, you can feel the heat to your face. So that's when I know that the styling is done and now I need to give the cold shot. So once the curls are done, I'll just show you the first half of my hair that I styled. So this is how my hair looks after styling with all the tips that I told you. You can see, I don't know how clearly you can see that my hair is really bouncy and curly right now, and I don't feel any wet thing in my scalp too. I don't know how clearly you can see the bounce. Let me style on my other part of my hair too. I can show you the entire look then. So now take one more section of your hair. You can clip the top part and brush it out. And done. See the cut. See the bounce. You see it? Full cut. See it, right? And same on this side. To change it. How curly they are. So now get all this hair in the front. Take one more section. So now you're done with the bottom part, right? So now I have a little bit of layers on my front part. So I usually style it in this way. I comb it in the front. I comb everything to the front. Now I take this section of the hair and style it to the back. So now take this in two halves, wrapped in this way, so that I get more volume in this area. Don't forget to give a cold shot and then see, you get this bounce here. So again, take this part. So this front area, I usually style it with the blow dry brush. I brush it and roll it up. Stay for like 30 to 40 seconds. Cold shot and then done. See that curl? So now removing the clip. So this is how my entire hair looks after I curl it. You see that? You see the bounce of the curls? So for the finishing touch, so do you see the bounce over here in this area? That's the reason why I always do that. For the finishing touch, I always finish it off with a Moroccan oil treatment. I just take a little small pump of it, and I mostly tame off my curls so there are no flyaways or any short hair flying away from my face and all. So it looks after styling it, and this is how I usually style it. This is from the back. How clearly you can see, but this is the bounce. So this is how my hair routine usually is. This is how it usually goes each time whenever I wash my hair. But sometimes for weekly ones, I usually do use the Shiseido hair mask so that it helps in smoothing my hair and gives more nourishment. And sometimes I do use some of the hair masks that I make at home. I'll just make another video where I pamper myself and show you guys what are the hair masks or face masks that I use and all. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and do share and subscribe. Bye for today.